Welcome to Camping Survival. My name's Tom Shaka. Adam, my cameraman and assistant manager at Camping Survival, are not in the office today. We're out in the woods playing around, and I stumbled across a couple cool plants we just saw here. This one's wild ginger, which is a very cool plant. I've been seeing it more and more lately here in central North Carolina. It's a very popular plant, but you can confirm that it's ginger, of course. You'll recognize it by crushing up the leaves, and it has a distinctive scent. Very cool plant. But I noticed right beyond it here, and you see these leaves here, and oftentimes they have a flower with them. I was eating some flowers last weekend. That's called trout lily. I don't know if you can see these leaves. You can see them all right, Adam? Yep. That's trout lily. Pretty cool plant. Now I dug a bulb up. The flower, the leaf, and the bulb are edible, and I'm actually going to taste it because I look forward to these things. They're very tasty. The bulb, just get the dirt off it. It's tasty, pretty cool, and the leaf is tasty. Good stuff. So, as always, do some studying, check out your plants, learn from an expert, don't take anything for granted, and you'll see some really cool things in the woods and enjoy them. Ginger and trout lily. Camping Survival. Improvise, adapt, and overcome, and have a great day.